Hi friends, today we are making a viral Argentine frozen chocotorta cheesecake, creamy cream cheese, dulce de leche, coffee-dipped chocolate cookies, and no oven at all. It serves 8 and takes 25 minutes of prep, plus 6 hours of freezing, and every bite tastes like a cold caramel cafe dessert. Let's walk through the ingredients for this frozen Argentine cheesecake. 10 ounces chocolate wafer cookies bring the classic chocotorta flavor, with some crushed for the base and some dipped for the center layer. 6 tablespoons unsalted butter, melted, help the cookie crumbs set into a sliceable frozen crust. 16 ounces cream cheese, softened, give the filling its cheesecake body and a gentle tang. 1 1/4 cups dulce de leche make this unmistakably Argentine, with 1 cup for the filling and 1/4 cup for the glossy topping. 1 cup cold heavy cream lightens the filling so it freezes creamy instead of dense. 1/4 cup powdered sugar adds just enough sweetness and helps the filling stay smooth. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract rounds out the caramel and cream cheese flavors. 1/4 teaspoon fine salt keeps the dulce de leche from tasting flat and makes the chocolate pop. 1/2 cup cooled strong brewed coffee softens the cookie layer and gives that signature cafe flavor. 1 ounce dark chocolate, shaved, finishes the cheesecake with a bittersweet cocoa crunch. We begin the preparation by lining a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan with parchment paper, leaving overhang on the long sides so the frozen cheesecake will lift out cleanly later. Now crush 7 ounces of the chocolate wafer cookies into fine crumbs, keeping the remaining 3 ounces of cookies whole for the coffee-dipped middle layer. Pour the 6 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter into the cookie crumbs, then stir until every crumb looks evenly moistened and dark. Press that buttery crumb mixture firmly into the bottom of the lined loaf pan, making an even base, then freeze it for 10 minutes while we make the filling. While the crust chills, beat the 16 ounces of softened cream cheese in a large bowl until it is smooth and creamy with no visible lumps. Add 1 cup of the dulce de leche, 1/4 cup powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and 1/4 teaspoon fine salt to the cream cheese, then beat until the mixture is glossy and caramel colored. In a separate bowl, whip 1 cup cold heavy cream until it holds soft peaks, meaning the cream mounds gently but still looks silky. Now fold the whipped cream into the dulce de leche cream cheese mixture in 2 additions, moving gently so the filling stays airy. Take the chilled crust from the freezer and spread half of the cheesecake filling over it, smoothing the surface into an even layer. Pour the 1/2 cup cooled strong coffee into a shallow dish, then dip the remaining 3 ounces of cookies one at a time for 1 second per side. Arrange the coffee-dipped cookies over the filling in a single layer, breaking pieces only if needed so they fit inside the loaf pan. Cover the cookie layer with the remaining cheesecake filling, then smooth the top all the way to the corners so the slices look clean. Cover the pan tightly and freeze the cheesecake for at least 6 hours, until the center is firm enough to slice. Once frozen, lift the cheesecake out using the parchment overhang, then peel the parchment away from the sides. Spread the remaining 1/4 cup dulce de leche over the top in a thin glossy layer, letting a few soft ribbons stay visible. Sprinkle 1 ounce of shaved dark chocolate over the dulce de leche topping so the surface gets a bittersweet finish. Let the cheesecake stand at room temperature for 5 minutes, then cut it into 8 slices with a warm knife and serve it cold. That closes our frozen chocotorta cheesecake. And there it is, a viral Argentine frozen chocotorta cheesecake that delivers the no-oven, caramel-rich, creamy slice we promised at the start. Serve it straight from the freezer with coffee or mate, and keep any extra slices covered and frozen. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell for more sweet ideas.